In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Hostinger auto renewal. If you're trying to prevent future charges while keeping your current service active until it expires, turning off auto renewal is the right move. We'll walk through the exact place in Hostinger's Age panel to make the change, and I'll highlight a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to the hostinger.hpanel homepage at hpanel.hostinger.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your account credentials and make sure you're on the correct account that owns the subscription you want to manage. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see the main navigation on the left side. Next, look to that left menu and click Billing. This section is where Hostinger keeps everything related to payments, invoices, and, most importantly for us, active subscriptions. Opening Billing makes it easy to see which services are set to renew and when the next charge is scheduled. Inside Billing, find the Subscriptions area and open the subscription you want to manage. You may have multiple items here, such as web hosting plans, domains, or email services. Take a second to select the exact product you plan to stop from auto-renewing. You can usually see the current period, the next renewal date, and the price, which helps you confirm you're in the right place. Once you're viewing the subscription details, look for the auto-renewal option. You'll see a switch next to it. Click that switch to turn auto-renewal off. When the switch is off, it tells Hostinger not to attempt another payment when the current term ends. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation message or a status change right away. If a prompt appears, read it and confirm the change so the setting is saved. A couple of quick notes to avoid surprises. Disabling auto-renewal does not cancel your current service immediately. You'll keep access through the end of the paid term. After that, the service will expire unless you manually renew. This is especially important for domains. If a domain expires, your website and email tied to that domain can go offline, so consider setting a personal reminder if you plan to renew manually later. That's it. You've successfully turned off auto-renewal in Hostinger. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same screen and toggle it back on.